and I have been loving it. In fact, I think it's the best mattress I have ever slept on. Their prices are super affordable, and I love the fact that it gets shipped right to my door. I am not that big of a person. I'm only 5'4", and I was able to take this king size mattress out of the box and maneuver it to get it positioned on the bed, and then it inflates within 48 hours, which you will see that it did a lot of inflating even while I was working on the room and getting it out of the box. SweetNight mattresses are compatible with all bed sizes, platforms, and frames. It has targeted support for all body shapes and weights. It features motion isolation, which I can tell it definitely does. There's no shaking or anything like that whenever my daughters climb on the bed, when I'm sitting on it. And it also has a cooling effect. And it has this cover that you can remove on the top and wash, which I really appreciate.